Now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Danielle Juliano.
Well, we finally made it through another hot and steamy weekend here in southeast Louisiana. But the good news is we have this front set up just to our north. This low pressure system, that front's going to push further south. Not only is going to bring us some increased slight rain chances, but some of those storms could possibly be a little on the stronger side with some gusty winds, possibly even some hail. In fact, over here in South Alabama by Mobile, they saw some strong storms make their way through now into the Florida Panhandle. Some storms popping up here on the Mississippi coast, and then we're looking at a widespread area of rainfall that's continuing to push further south here as we move through tonight. So it's made its way across the Louisiana-Mississippi border and continuing to push through Jackson, maybe seeing some rain, some light rain showers here showing up on the radar if it's even hitting the ground at this point as we make our way through our Sunday evening. Right now, though, in Baton Rouge, Skycam showing temperatures 87 degrees, feels like 97 degrees. So again, factor in that dew point feels 10 degrees hotter than it actually is. Wind sitting out of the west there at 8 miles per hour. Now, I mentioned that chance for some storms. Tonight, we're still under that slight risk for some storms. So we're on the lowest end of the spectrum out of 6, so a 1 out of 6, but we move into your Monday, and we're in a marginal risk. We see the darker green colors here. So the further south you get towards New Orleans, the greater chance for some strong storms. They're in a slight risk, so a 3 out of 6. We're here in Baton Rouge at a 2 out of 6 as we move into your Monday. So some of those storms and showers that do make their way through, just keep in mind that some of them can really pack the punch and be on the stronger side. So we're going to show you 2 models here. 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, our first model. Cloud cover across southeast Louisiana, but stays mostly dry. We move into the afternoon. This is 3:30 p.m. We start to see some stronger storms. You see some cells pop up there right around Baton Rouge and the I-10 corridor pushing further south. Some of those are the storms that could be a little on the stronger side. Just watch for that tomorrow afternoon. And then some spotty showers, but mostly sunny here as we move throughout our Tuesday. Another model, we're going to move through hour by hour. 1:30 a.m. You start to see those showers. Those light showers that we just saw on our radar right now moving through tonight. So you could see a couple showers through overnight hours. 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. One model showed us mostly dry. This model staying a little on the wetter side there. Still sees the light green color, so on the lighter side of the spectrum when it comes to heavy rainfall. Then we move into 11:30 a.m. Shows the stronger storms down by New Orleans. And then again, we're going to be drying things out as we move into Monday evening. So the Weather Prediction Center, though, even though we are seeing some storms, we're not going to see much in terms of accumulation here. We're still on the lower side, less than ½ an inch of rainfall from a 1 to 3 day outlook. Because once you get past Monday, we're really going to be drying things out before we see our rain chances increase as we move into next weekend. So oppressive summer heat, storm chances for your Monday. Keep that in mind. Stay weather aware, and a hot and steamy week ahead. And 7-day forecast showing temperatures sticking with us in the 90s, but with that front, we call it a cold front. You can't see it, but I'm putting up air quotes right now because it's not necessarily cold, but it is going to drop our humidity values as we move into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, we're going to start to really warm things right back up. 96 degrees for our high heat index values, higher than that. Same goes for our weekend. High temperatures in the 90s, but we increase our rain chances as we move into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which none of us necessarily want to hear considering it's weekend. And remember, if you can't catch us here, you can always catch us on the radio with Cumulus Media. So again, guys, storm chances tomorrow, not for all of us, but some of us may see some of those could be strong, so just stay weather aware. It's nothing we're not used to here, but we're going to get a brief break before we really crank up the heat again Thursday into next weekend.
So we'll just stay tuned for some updates, but at least it's cooling down, even if it's just for a little.
I'm going to put quotes around the word cool.
Cooling down.
Because I don't necessarily consider 90s cool, but
no.
The humidity will be a little less.
Well, that'll feel a little better at least.
We'll take what we can get.